Are you thinking about starting a website, launching a blog, creating an online store, or growing your business online? Then choosing the right web hosting is one of the most important decisions you can make. And today, I'm going to show you why millions of people are choosing Hostinger for their websites. Plus, right now you can get up to 75% off web hosting. And before we continue, if you want to get this Hostinger deal for yourself, the Hostinger link is in the description of this video. Make sure to check it out before the offer changes. So, what makes Hostinger so popular? First of all, your website needs to be fast, secure, and reliable. Because let's be honest, nobody likes a slow website. And if your website takes too long to load, visitors leave, and that can hurt your business, your content, and your growth online. That's why Hostinger focuses on delivering hosting that is secure, speedy, and exactly the way your website should be. Whether you're creating a personal blog, a business website, an online portfolio, or a full e-commerce store, Hostinger gives you the performance you need to grow online with confidence. One of the best things about Hostinger is how beginner-friendly it is. Even if you've never built a website before, Hostinger makes the process simple and easy. You can run WordPress or any other CMS platform, allowing you to create almost any type of website you want. And if you already have a website hosted somewhere else, Hostinger offers free website migration, helping you move your site quickly and smoothly without the stress. They also include a free domain with many hosting plans, helping you save even more money when starting your online journey. Another huge advantage is that Hostinger offers fully managed web hosting. That means they help handle the technical side of hosting so you can focus on your content, business, or brand instead of worrying about complicated server management. And if you ever need help, Hostinger provides 24/7 customer support, so assistance is always available whenever you need it. Fast websites. Strong security. Free domain. Free migration. WordPress support. 24/7 assistance. And huge discounts of up to 75% off. That's why so many creators, entrepreneurs, bloggers, and businesses trust Hostinger to power their websites. So if you're ready to launch your website or upgrade your hosting today, now is the perfect time to get started. And once again, the Hostinger link is in the description of this video. Click the link below, claim your Hostinger deal, and start building your website today. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.